So here we have a typical takeover meet. The ends are not good. He drives off. Please don't try this at home, guys. Or anywhere, for that matter. The woman right here in the back, that's my expression. Like, both of these cars are questionably built. Granted, I do like this lifted, I don't know, Jeep.
Tired, but
pretty sick.
The motivational words your
this
dad
is cool,
told you
but what's the point? But I mean, if he likes it, that's good enough for a point, I reckon. This camera guy is who I wish filmed every fight in existence. Homie didn't even move, and there's a car flying literally at him, and he just stayed still. That's gotta be CGI or something. This is sad because it's a G8 participating in this, but it's in a closed area, so I respect it. But homie, what are you trying to do?
Sometimes as if they'll never end.
You know, this is pretty cool. I bet this is Grandpa's truck and Bradley's taking it for a spin. Or Braxton. Or Brandon. Chad. This had me messed up for a second. Literally, this is wild. Could you imagine being under the influence watching this? Probably have to check yourself into.
I'm not trying to over dramatize this, but that was alarming.
This it's like homies on GTA. Like, what are you guys doing? Crazy, he spun out going 5 miles an hour. Was the truck driver wrong for this? Kind of. He should have put it in 4x4. This guy's life is legit Forza Horizon. But I mean, if you buy it, might as well drive it. Homie read a red light, so what do you expect? This Corvette, I've seen this video before, I never noticed the turbos there right there. You guys see that? That's pretty crazy. You know, it's like, what did you expect was going to happen here? Like so many questions, and like, why are you in the water? Why is your truck that smudged in? Should have double slapped it and said that's not going nowhere. But they didn't. Unfortunate, as you saw. This said dirt bike hit a broken UTV or something. Like, why would you be mad at that? You're broken in the middle of the way. Like, why would you get mad? Going back to GTA, this is definitely something you would mod in GTA and not in real life. But to each their own. This is how Black Friday deals be right here. Gotta go get that 70-inch TV. Mustang chases a Supra. More like Supra running away from something. This right here is just super unfortunate, but I mean, what do you expect to happen? Like, that's a lot of the videos I post is a lot of what did you expect? Question mark, question mark. Like, obviously you're overweight probably to be on this ferry. Too long. And you kind of just deserve that. I mean, simple.
Puta que pariu.
It was like everybody runs to help, but I mean, the car got up there. The Lambo versus, I believe, is a C6Z. Impressive that vet was gapping it and about to. This is quite impressive, but it feels like there's a lot of different areas you could do that at. This biker should definitely buy a lottery ticket, because watch this. Like, how can you be that lucky? Quite incredible. Guess that dude's steering quit working or his controller died. It's like the mud's basically like ice. You're going way too fast. You're not going to stop, and that happens. Not much you can do about that.
Nossa senhora.
Meu pai do céu. Ai, Jesus. Oh, meu.
Another super lucky person should go buy a lottery ticket. Just scurry right on down to the corner store. But anyways, hope you guys enjoy this brand new video. Until next time, peace.